Everyone keeps asking the same question: what is the fastest way to make money with coding in 2025? But the truth, it's not a one-line answer. Because behind every quick success you see online, there's a story, a struggle, a beginning, and today, I'm going to tell you the truth. Not the clickbait version, the real version. Let's get one thing straight: coding isn't magic. You can't snap your fingers and become rich. But coding is a tool, one of the most powerful tools in 2025, and if you use it right, it can change your entire life. I know, because it changed mine, not slowly, but fast. Faster than anything else I've ever tried. I used to think making money online was only for lucky people, the ones with connections, the ones who already had skills. But then one night, I saw someone build a simple website and get paid for it, just like that. And I realized, wait, people will pay you for something you can learn for free. That idea hit me hard. Because it meant my limits weren't real, they were just excuses I kept repeating. So here it is: the fastest way to make money with coding in 2025 isn't learning everything. It's learning the skills that pay, fast. Skill number 1, building small websites for local businesses. You don't need to master React or build an AI model. Small businesses need simple sites. You can build one in a weekend and get paid $200, $300, $500 or more. Skill number 2, automation scripts. Businesses will pay you to save them time. A tiny script that does a repetitive task? That's real money. Skill number 3, fixing bugs. You don't need a degree to fix one broken page. There are literally thousands of people willing to pay for quick help. These aren't glamorous, they're not viral, but they work fast. Here's why this works so quickly: people don't pay you for your knowledge. They pay you for solving a problem. You don't need to be a senior developer. You just need to know a little more than the person hiring you. And once you solve your first problem, you feel something you can't forget: I can do this. I can actually make money with this. That moment changes everything. My first client didn't come from a fancy portfolio, or a resume, or a certificate. It came from courage. I sent a message to a small business near me and said, "Hey, your website has a few issues. I can fix them for cheap." I didn't feel ready. I wasn't confident. But I hit send anyway, and the next morning, I got the message, "Sure." How much? I made $150 that day. It wasn't much, but to me, it was everything. Because it proved that coding wasn't just code. It was opportunity. After that, everything changed. I stopped watching tutorial after tutorial and started building. I messaged more businesses. I offered small fixes. I automated tiny tasks for people who didn't even know it was possible. And the money started coming in faster. Not because I was a genius, but because I showed up. Because I stopped waiting to feel ready. 2025 rewards people who take action, not people who wait. So what's the fastest way to make money with coding in 2025? It's not AI. It's not complex apps. It's not mastering 10 languages. It's this: learn one small thing, solve one small problem, charge one small price, repeat. That's it. That's the formula, and it works faster than you think. You don't need to be the best coder, you just need to start. There are people out there right now who need what you can learn in a few days. This is 2025, speed matters, action matters. And the fastest way to make money with coding is to start today. Thank you for listening. Now go create your future.